Here's plenty of examples for subtracting integers. So we'll start up here with -5 minus 2. I lost $5. I lost $2. I have lost $7 altogether. Down here, 10 minus -11. Remember, anytime you see minus a minus or subtracting a negative, just turn them both into plus signs. So now we have 10 plus 11, which is 21. Down here, 6 minus 12. Since I'm losing more than I'm gaining, right, I'm going to have a negative number as my answer. And if I want to use those rules, there are different signs, right? We can write this as 6 plus -12. Remember, this negative attaches to that number, and then it becomes an addition problem. So since they have different signs, I can just subtract them. 12 minus 6 is 6, but our answer has to be -6. All right, -3 minus 13. So I just change those two negative signs there into positives, and I get -3 plus 13. So I lost $3, but then I earned 13 back. So now I'm sitting at, I've netted $10. I'll be using the money example quite a bit. It seems to make sense for me, so hopefully it makes sense for you. 67 minus 77. All right, well, I can just attach that negative to 77. So I'll have 67 plus -77. Different signs, we subtract. So 77 minus 67, well, that's going to be 10. And then I take the sign of the larger number between 67 and 77, which is going to be the 77, and it has a negative sign. So we'll have -10 as our answer. All right, 0 minus -29. Again, anytime I see minus a minus, I'm just going to turn those into pluses, and we'll get 0 plus 29, which is going to be 29. All right, let's keep going. -15 minus -15. Again, minus a minus, those become plus signs. So now I have -15 plus 15, and those two just cancel each other out, so we'll get 0. -2 minus 30. I lost $2, and then I lost $30 more, or you can think of it as I spent $2, and then I spent another $30. So that means I have spent a total of $32 today. I'm minus $32 from my wallet. 15 minus 9. Remember, integers are just, they include positive and negative numbers. So we can see normal questions like this that we were probably shown at least in first, second, or third grade. 15 minus 9, or the difference, right? How far apart are they from each other? Well, they're 6 apart. 49 minus 24, minus a minus becomes plus plus. So this is 49 plus 24. Let's see, 49 plus 20 plus 4. I might do it that way to make it easier. These two make 69, and then plus 4 is 73, and positive 73. 91 minus 95. So here's my number line. If 91 is all the way over here, and I'm subtracting 95, well, I know I'm going to get down to 0 once I subtract 91. And then I still got to subtract an additional 4 to have a total subtraction of 95. So going from 0 and then minus 4 is going to take us to -4. So there's our answer. -372 minus -150. So I see minus minus, that becomes plus plus. And we got -372 plus 150. They're different signs, so I'll subtract 372 minus 150. That's going to be, let's see, 222. Yeah, 222. And then we take the sign of the larger number, which is 372. It is negative, so our answer is -222. keeping on. 1 minus negative 2. I see minus a minus. That becomes plus plus. So that's 3. Negative 11 minus 14. I lost $11, and then I lost 14 more dollars. So altogether, I have lost $25. 72 minus negative 108. Minus a minus, plus plus. So this is 72 plus 108, which is going to be 180. Negative 90 minus negative 38, minus minus, becomes plus plus. So this is negative 90 plus 38. So I might start thinking about it this way too, right? If negative 90 is down here and we're adding a positive number, we're moving in this direction. So if I add 30, right, plus 30, that's going to get me to negative 60, and then plus another 8 is going to get me to negative 52. 51 minus 62, so I can just attach this negative to that 62 and rewrite it as 51 plus negative 62. Different signs, we subtract. 62 minus 51 is going to be 11. And take the sign of the larger number, which is 62. It is negative, so we have negative 11. Negative 82 minus 85. I'm going to attach that negative to the 85, and I'll have negative 82 plus negative 85. These have the same sign, so I can just add the numbers and keep the sign the same. So 82 plus 85 is 167, and they were both negatives to begin with, so it's going to be negative 167.